on. Come on. Yeah, he don't like that. Oh, he's hooked on this side right here.
Yeah.
When you're guiding these guys, a lot of times you need to look for the fly when the fish. Easy.
Give me that breath back. Get that bar. You're just not long enough to be a and that thickest part above the dorsal, right? Sometimes in the head,
Between the dorsal and the Let's go. Let's go.
now you grab them upside down.
Dude, hook's out. Hook's out. Come here, baby. That's a big one, bro. Look, I want you to look at this shirt underneath.
So,
Oh, I see the beads on your head, you know?
I feel like I ate some wasabi. Tarpon Poonski. Wasabi. Holy moly.
There we go.
oh man.
This AFCO shirt is gonna be dripping. Oh yeah, me.
Sticking to you.
Damn.
Let's catch another one.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work. Tell me when the leader's close. Just hold on for a minute. Pass me my Coke, Colin. No. Where's the fly?
Right there.
Here we go. Okay. Ready, Colin?
Come in.
Let him go. That's good. Let him go.
We're good. We're good.
Let him go. Not bad for a young whippersnapper.
Just turned on you. Yeah, get the leader.
For your tournament.
Alright, let me get up there and touch it real quick.
Too late. Here, get up there. Okay, let go. Woo!
Elbow down. Nice job, baby.
You might let this one go. You know what I mean?
Ready?
When they're upside down and disoriented, they give you a little few seconds. Push the two hands together. Like that. Push the two hands.